So Bryson, what are we doing?
Downpipe install.
Let's see what's going on under the FD. Holy shit, that's a big ass cat!
No, I'm about to get rid of that shit.
Man.
Where's my propane torcheroo at?
There we go.
That takes like fucking 20 tries.
It's probably so pressurized you're putting the thing out.
Or it's just broken. You know what I think the FD interior smells?
Why?
Because I smell.
Probably. We work on cars too much.
I know.
Smell like shit.
Pretty sure that's exactly why it stinks. I get back in every morning and I just smell my own stench from the day before. It just adds up. The FD cannot be a workhorse.
Original 1993 bolts. I don't like to come off easily. Actually a really cool shot.
Gotta get them red hot. Alright, well, let's see if that does it. Torch does the trick.
So what's new to the RX-7 since we last saw it? I see some shiny stuff up, holding up in here. If we could get a light on there.
Oh yeah, there's some nice coilovers in there.
Let's see if I could get a better shot of them. Some nice pretty coilovers on the RX-7 now. The stance is mean. I'll give it that.
Yeah, the rear needs to go lower a little bit, but besides that, it's pretty good.
Anything else you've done? Really?
Probably, but I honestly don't remember. That's always how it goes.
Well, besides failing an E-test today.
Yeah, it was a little embarrassing, but...
Failed with flying colors.
Not surprised, but it would have been nice to pass, that's for sure.
Let's see this downpipe, bro.
Ta-da!
That's it?
Yeah.
But how does twin turbo has one downpipe, single? I don't understand this.
Neither do I. I'm new to this too, so, but I mean...
Learning rotaries together.
This
Pretty.
This is the one that the guy gave me at the parts store.
Where'd you get this one?
Oh, I got it from Marco.
The RX-7 guy down the street?
Rotary Guru
Nice.
in Oakville, which is really nice. Yeah, he's like 15 minutes away. Wanna see my pipe, dudes?
It's nice.
Sick pipe, bro. Thanks. This one doesn't bolt up the same as far as I'm concerned. There's like, on the factory downpipe, there's some like other shit that comes off the side and like braces onto something. That's what I'm seeing anyways. But
That's just more shit that gets in the way.
yeah, we'll find out soon enough, I guess. All the nuts and all the bolts are off the downpipe. So in theory, it should just come off.
But in practice,
In practice,
that never fucking happens.
don't be so pessimistic.
As he struggles to get the last bolt out.
No, whoa. That's a lot of movement.
Yeah.
I didn't take any hangers off. Oh no, we're already separated here. That's good news. Well, hopefully we're separated up here too. I feel like things are happening. Oh, baby.
Oh, baby, a triple.
Look at the fucking size
Pull it into the light.
of this cat, man. Is that a big cat or what? For a tiny little downpipe. Look at that.
It's so flat.
So basically, your exhaust gases enter here, and then they hit a fucking wall. Mazda, bro.
Bro.
It's like a fucking wall. That's a fucking downpipe.
And that's a very shiny downpipe.
See?
Get out of cut, Frank.
Not as much of a wall, you know?
Smooth.
Smooth taper here.
Smooth flows.
Not the Mazda Great Wall.
Finally, it's going in.
Well, it's about time. Taking my sweet old time with this one.
Only like 4 hours later.
No.
Sorry, I've been so useless.
Slowpoke over here. Slow balls.
Considering we've rear-wheel drive swapped a Subaru today as well, I think we're doing good.
Yeah, this is gonna take as long as the rear-wheel drive swap, although
Rusty bolts and untouched hardware.
at least I know what I'm doing with the rear-wheel drive swap. Right now I don't know what I'm doing. That there. It's like, do I get these bolts on first, or do I get those ones on first? I don't know. These ones are like, that's literally welded on. Someone fucking tack welded that. Are you fucking kidding me?
That explains a lot.
Well, oh, this one too, you pieces of shit. You literally can't take that off. I should show that later, so people don't think I'm fucking crazy. It's literally tack welds there. Fucking dicks.
Well, there's not enough light under here to see it, so.
Making my life difficult. Mazda.
At least it's something shiny for this car for once.
I know. First shiny part on this car. This doesn't line up nice. Try to fit in. Okay, maybe we'll just get this one on first. Roll it and try to fit in. That might occur. Oh man, if those studs weren't there, that'd be really nice. It's really annoying. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna enjoy it, to be honest.
What?
The sound of twin turbo rotary open downpipe. I'll probably sell the car.
You'd probably
Fuck this
get.
sound.
You'd probably get insane amounts of spool sound though.
Yeah, oh yeah, I'll probably spool it crazy. Yeah, man, I'm just like not a fan of how these cars sound. Like not even a little bit.
No, you're a fan of how they sound, but not with exhausts. Like the rotary sound, like the humming sound, is nice.
Yeah, I like that. I just don't like the sound out the
The
back.
spool sound is great, but a straight pipe rotary, yeah.
Yeah, it kind of sounds like ass.
Well, you had that bad experience with that RX-7 from Autocross.
Yeah, in that video, it's just like ruining the video. It's just like revving, like.
What you doing?
Well, we just finished the downpipe install, pretty much.
Well, we're gonna go for an open downpipe sound clip, please.
I think we're gonna do that. Oh man, we'll even have battery to start after all this charging.
Hopefully. It's time for open downpipe test.
Oh boy. Prepare to hate rotaries for the rest of your life. My life. Wow. Well, that sounds mean. Wonder what that sounds driving around, but
That's
I'll listen.
yeah, that hurts the
Yeah.
soul.
That's it's no Bridgeport. That's for sure.
That's better. First startup with downpipe.
I'm so fucking hot, man. It's hot out here. I'm already sweating.
It honestly doesn't sound any louder than stock. It's a nice sound. Give us some flutter.
Sounds good. Alright.
So first drive with the downpipe on. See how this thing sounds. Windows down for maximum effect.
Maximum rotary, bro. Oh man, this thing could probably shoot flames now. No, I'm kidding.
That'd be cool. Holy,
Not around the keys.
holy shit. Sounds good.
Yeah. Just like a small increase.
I think it's a little more than small.
But it's like noticeable. It's not like it's not like, I don't know if it's life changing, but it's
It's
noticeable.
nice.
It sounds good. It sounds way better than before.
Yes. The flutter sound overpowers everything.
I know.
That's some other stuff that's new to this car, the intakes and the power FC
Yeah.
and coils. That's what we missed out on.
Yeah, I guess I didn't really remember where this car left off.
First impressions of the downpipe, right?
I'm happy with it. The car sounds nicer. And it feels like it's idling slightly better. I'm not really sure. It didn't. The boost ended up staying the same. I thought the cat was clogged enough where it might have had enough back pressure to lower the boost a bunch. But it was the exact same with the new downpipe. So maybe we'll just do some tuning with this guy, a good old power FC, and then we can get that boost up. It's only 6.5 pounds still, so we can do 3.5 more safely.
Sweet.
It's pretty good. I'm happy with it. There's just some smoke at the start, but that's about it. I hope it's good now. So we'll pop the hood and see.
Sweet.